Our title is basically effectiveness of public health. Our public education or public intervention is effective.
So we find that difference and then we analyze it using chi-square test. Just by eyeballing it, we do see that there is some increase in most of the major.
Rahan said there are two findings. One is that the knowledge was poor. So the second one is what you said.
Sebab diberikan peluang untuk menyertai aktiviti-aktiviti yang sangat menarik dan bermanfaat sepanjang tempoh 4 minggu. Dua group at that time. So one group went to Taman Mawar dan another group went to bangunan asrama Unit 10. Okey, setengah kering. Okey, setengah dua. Kiri setengah berat luas dan dalam. Dan kita type C. So at that time semua orang bekerja sama dalam interviewing and community. Mencari penyakit bukan bersakit. So the aim of our program is yang sama dan amat berikan kerjasama. Terima kasih kembali. And also team 3 I think we had unprotected sex and then planning for child lah. So kita dah tahu and then for divorce je lah.
Mana yang sedap? Oh, okay. Recommended by Mia.
1, 2, 3.
You went to the mud.
Rasa terlompat jantung.
Okay, so what? Take picture.
Take picture.
There's pain in the struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing, please stay speak.
Masuk dalam sikit lah, kita nak masuk kat dalam ke?
Cakap something.
Cakap something ah? Okay Mia, kau let's have our MC for our program. See something before we end our surprise.
Pantun.
Oh my God, pantun ah. 2, 3 kucing berlari. Mak dia 5, 6
Same dream. Never thought anxiety would change me, but everything that goes up must come in. And every time I think I got it made, I drown. I wish that it were different now, but that's how it's gotta be. So let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Close my eyes and
Is something haram ah? One, two, three. Yeah!
not for skill.
And this is my haha.
You ambil macam ni, you tahu tak? Macam ni. Oh tak.
Oh.
Baru pesan ni also. Yeah. I want to show you go that I repost again.
It's video lah.